Your brain is literally addicted to spending, not metaphorically, chemically, and it is not your fault. In the next 10 minutes, you will discover the exact neurotransmitter hijacking your wallet and the 5-step protocol to rewire that addiction into a saving superpower. Welcome to the Wealthy Challenge. You have tried willpower. You have tried budgets. You have promised yourself that this time will be different. And yet, when you see that notification, that sale, that perfect item, something takes over. Your hand moves before your mind can stop it. This is not weakness. This is neurochemistry. For years, the Wealthy Challenge has studied why intelligent, disciplined people make irrational financial decisions. We found that every impulse purchase follows the exact same chemical pathway in your brain. The industry tells you to try harder. We tell you to understand your biology, because you cannot fight chemistry with willpower. We are going to dismantle this addiction step by step. We will expose the dopamine trap, identify your personal spending triggers, and install a new reward system that makes saving feel better than spending. By the end, you will have a complete neurological reset protocol. Let us begin. The first step is understanding the enemy, dopamine. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. It is not. It is about craving. It is about anticipation. When you see something you want, your brain releases dopamine before you even buy it. That rush you feel when you add an item to your cart, that is dopamine. But here is what nobody tells you. The dopamine spike happens before the purchase, not after. Your brain is addicted to the chase, not the reward. Think of a hunter tracking prey. The excitement builds during the hunt. Once the prey is caught, the excitement fades. Your spending works the exact same way. You feel alive while browsing and adding to cart, but once the item arrives, the feeling vanishes. This is the dopamine trap. Consider Sarah. She made a great living, had a strict budget, but overspent every single month. She felt deeply ashamed. Then she tracked respending triggers and discovered that every impulse purchase happened at exactly 3 in the afternoon. Not because she needed anything, but because her energy dipped. Her brain craved a quick hit, and shopping was her afternoon drug. Once she saw the pattern, she replaced it. 3 in the afternoon became her walk time. Her brain still got the dopamine, but her wallet stayed closed. You have these exact same patterns. You just have not seen them yet. Step 2 is to identify your personal dopamine triggers. There are 6 universal ones. First, emotional pain, like stress or boredom. Second, environmental cues, like walking past a specific store or seeing an email notification. Third, social comparison and seeing what others have. Fourth, scarcity signals, like limited time offers. Fifth, novelty, like new product releases. And sixth, achievement markers, the voice telling you that you deserve a treat. Which trigger is strongest for you? Pause and name it out loud. This simple act moves the trigger from your subconscious to your conscious mind, and once it is conscious, you can control it. Most people try to resist these triggers with willpower, but willpower is a finite resource. It depletes throughout the day. This is why you are strongest in the morning and weakest at night. Most people do not know this, but we are going to use it to our advantage. Step 3 is understanding the neuroscience of instant versus delayed gratification. Your brain has 2 competing systems. System 1 is the limbic system. It is ancient, emotional, and wants rewards right now. System 2 is the prefrontal cortex. It is logical and plans for the future. When these systems conflict, System 1 usually wins because it reacts in milliseconds. System 2 takes seconds. In those milliseconds, the decision is already made. You see the item, the limbic system fires, dopamine releases, and you click buy. This is not a character flaw. This is evolutionary biology. Here is the pattern interrupt. Most financial advice tells you to strengthen System 2 through more discipline and more planning. But this is fighting evolution, and you will lose. Instead, we hack System 1. We make saving feel better than spending. We give the limbic system what it wants, but we redirect it. This is the key that changes everything. Step 4 is the 5-step dopamine redirection protocol. This is your new operating system. Step 1 is the 24-hour rule. Any non-essential purchase over $50 must wait a full day. The craving peaks within minutes. If you wait, it fades. Step 2 is the replacement ritual. When you feel the urge to spend, give your brain an alternative dopamine source. Exercise, a cold shower, or listening to a specific song. Your brain does not care where the dopamine comes from, it just wants the hit. Step 3 is the visualization anchor. Before you save money, visualize what that money represents: freedom, security, options. Make the abstract concrete. Step 4 is the celebration trigger. When you choose not to spend, celebrate out loud. Say, "I just chose my future self." Your brain needs to associate saving with positive emotion. Step 5 is environment redesign. Unsubscribe from emails, unfollow shopping accounts, and delete apps. Make spending harder and saving easier. If this protocol is helping you see your spending differently, type "I am ready" in the comments below. This commits your brain to change and connects you with thousands of others, rewiring their relationship with money. Now, step 5, the neurological savings hack that makes saving addictive. This is gamification. Your brain loves points, levels, and achievements. Turn saving into a game. Create a visual tracker where every dollar saved is a step forward. Use apps that celebrate milestones. For every $100 saved, give yourself a non-financial reward, like a hike or time with loved ones. Your brain starts to associate saving with achievement, and achievement releases dopamine. Create a separate dopamine savings account specifically for experiences that bring you joy, like travel or concerts. Now, saving is not deprivation. It is funding your future joy. Your brain starts to prefer the bigger, delayed reward over the smaller, immediate one. This is how you win, not by fighting your biology, but by working with it. But there is one final element that locks in the transformation. It is called identity shifting. You must stop saying, "I am trying to save money." Start saying, "I am someone who builds wealth." Your brain follows your identity. If you identify as someone who saves, saving becomes automatic. It is no longer a struggle. It is simply who you are. This is the final evolution from conscious effort to unconscious competence. You now understand the dopamine trap. You know that your brain is addicted to the chase, not the reward. You have the 5-step redirection protocol to hack your limbic system and make saving feel better than spending. This is not theory. This is neuroscience, and you hold the keys. If this helped you see your spending in a new light, subscribe to The Wealthy Challenge for more wealth psychology strategies. You now know how to redirect your dopamine. But there is a deeper layer. Hidden beneath your conscious mind are money scripts written in childhood, beliefs you downloaded before age 7 that still control your wallet today. In the next video, we expose money scripts, the 4 hidden beliefs from childhood controlling your wallet. I will show you how to identify and erase these programs. Click that video now and let us rewrite your source code together.